viewers, how are you? I am Mr. Maslamuddin Ahmed, lecturer of English, Shahjahanpur High School and College. So today we will discuss about the changing sentence, or another name is transformation. So let's start. But we must drink pure water. This is the sentence, and we have to make it negative sentence. Okay, we cannot but drink pure water. Another one is but we cannot but drinking pure water. So which one is the right? A or B? Number B. Okay, thank you. The answer is B. But why? Okay, look here. Look here. First one is but, this one is what has the parts of speech here. So this one is the adverb, and next one, and sometimes we can use these parts another way, no problem. Next one is subject. We must, cannot, but. If we can see that there is a must or have to, so this is the fundamental. You have to do it. You are obedient to do it. For this reason, obedient and cannot but. And help is, this one is the modals, can, and next one, this is the principal verb, and modals, this one is the auxiliary. So auxiliary, next one principal verb, next one what happened? Drinking, another verb. So in the sentence only one verb is the principal, another verb must be non-finite. It may be infinitive, gerund, present participle, perfect participle, or anything. So this part is the present form of the verb. So V1, the present form of the verb. Next one is ing, and next one is what? Pure water. So water is noun, and this one is adjective. So this one is a noun phrase. So this one is noun phrase, and it is taking this part. So it is called participle. So participle takes the noun phrase. So when we are going to the types of the preposition, in that case we have seen that single preposition, for example on, in, to, this one. Double preposition, for example into, beside. So these are compound preposition. Okay, for example about, and so participle, this is one kind of preposition. Okay, so on. So here what happened? Actually help is coming, the new verb, and this drinking, this one is this verb. So in this case what happened? This one is subject, and this one is modals, and this one is the principal verb. So this is modal auxiliary, and pure water is noun phrase. So here we can use the non-finite verb, non-finite verb, and it also looks like a non-finite verb, but it is not the non-finite verb, because the present form of the verb, and if it is working as an adjective, it is called present participle. So present participle. So what is present participle? Present participle is the present form of the verb and ing, and it is working as an adjective. For example, I read an interesting novel. So novel is noun and interesting is adjective, and it is coming from the present form of the verb plus ing. So this is called present participle, and it is working the as an adjective because it is modifying the noun. So in this case we can say that this is present participle. But it is look like say present participle? No, because after the present participle, this one is not taking as a noun or noun phrase. This is in the noun phrase from where to there. This is article, or you can say this one is adjective also. So adjective, and noun, but this word is modifying this noun. So this is the pre-modifier. So pre-modifier modifying the next word, but here it is not modifying this word. For example, drinking. So drinking is one kind of participle for taking this noun. For this reason, this is called the preposition. We know that preposition, it works as an it is taking the noun or noun phrase or pronoun. So for this reason we can say this part is called participle. And another way we can say that gerund. So what is gerund? Gerund is the present form of the verb. Next one is ing form, and it is working as a noun. how, for example, swimming is a good exercise. So swimming, the present form of the verb plus ing, and it is working as a noun. So for this reason, what happened? This is called gerund. So it is working as a subject and also noun, and it may be work as an object also, but it is not the main things. So what happened? So this is and this is completely different, but the structure is same, but the function is different. Its function is as an noun, is a noun, and this parts this function is taking a noun phrase. For this reason, what happened? See, this is called the participle. So this is the distinction, this is the contrast of between present participle, gerund, and only participle. So only participle here work as an preposition. Okay, I hope you can understand it. So in this case, what happened? This one is adverb, and it is modifying total sentence, and this one is subject. So this one is modal auxiliary, and this is also adverb. So this part is also adverb because it is modifying help. So cannot. So it is modifying. It may be can not help. So help. Next one, drinking, and this part noun phrase. So I hope that you can understand. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. You have to make it negative. So which one is right? Tell me at first. First one. No sooner had the thief seen the police, then he ran away. Or no sooner had the thief saw the police, then he ran away. Which one is the correct?
Number 8.
Thank you. So first one is right. But why? The spelling is then, there is no problem. Same. Okay. Next one is what happened. So here, no sooner had the thief. So first one is that no sooner had. So we can see that what is the tense of this. The question is what, and next one is what. So this one is as soon as. If we can see that as soon as. So instantly, in this moment. Okay. But no sooner had, for example, suddenly. So these are the opposite of this word. Okay. So in this way, for this we can say that if we can see or consider the subject, next one is the past form of the verb, next one is object. Okay, and next one is what happened? Subject and the past form of the verb. This one is the adverb. Next one, no sooner had. So if there is had, we can say that generally it is including in the past perfect tense. So what is past perfect tense? Subject, next one seen. So the past participle form, but where is the had? So this is the rule that if there is the no sooner, so this word is connected with this word, and next the subject will come. So this one is the auxiliary verb. So subject, auxiliary verb, next one is the past participle form of the verb, next one is object. Okay, this part is object from here to there. Okay, so we can see that subject, auxiliary verb, past participle form, object. So the name of this tense is past perfect tense because we have seen this structure. And next one is then, next one is subject, next one is V2, or next one is adverb. So what happened here and there? So generally we can see this sentence is past indefinite tense, and this part is also past indefinite tense, but this adverb is including, we have to make it the past perfect tense. So in this way we can change that. This is the system. So here we can use no sooner had, next one the thief, subject, next one the past participle. Okay, start. So we can see that what happened actually here. So this one is the past perfect tense, and last one is past indefinite tense. And here what happened? we have written that is no sooner had the thief saw. So if we can see the had auxiliary verb, this one is subject. Okay, had is auxiliary verb and this one is the principal verb, but this is the past form. This is the problem. So problem is that you have to write down here the past participle form of the verb, then the sentence will be correct, otherwise it is not the right answer. So in this way we can find out that this is the wrong sentence and this sentence is the correct sentence or right sentence. So in this way we can do it. So if we can see that there is as soon as we have to start no sooner had, then it will be the negative sentence, otherwise it will be not the correct sentence. Okay, and the structure of the sentence is that here is also the mistake, then. So this is the right and this is the wrong. Here it is not acceptable. And next one is subject, this one is the past form of the verb. So it is not the right sentence and this one is the correct sentence. Okay, next sentence is that who doesn't want to succeed in life? Affirmative. So everybody wants to succeed in life. We want to succeed in life. So which one is the right answer? Number A. Okay, but why? If we can see that there is who, we have to start everybody. For example, nobody can help you. Nobody can help you. The meaning is that they will not help you. But all of the students in the classroom, I am saying that you. So particularly one by one I am asking the questions. Okay, so what happened? Everybody can give me the answer. Okay, everybody can give me the answer. So in this way we can say that if I am asking particular one student by another one by one in this way, or step by step or continuously I am asking the question everybody, so nobody can miss. Everybody is responsible to give the answer. So in this way finally we can say that, so who, it is representative the singular, for this reason what happened? Doesn't. So who takes the does, it does not take the do. For example, we cannot say that who do not want to succeed. It is the wrong sentence because who, it is indicating the particular one. For example, in this classroom, one student, two student, three student, 4, 5, 6, there are 6 students. I am asking to you, who can do this? Who can swim? Who can ride a bicycle? Who can ride a motorcycle? So I am asking particularly every student. Okay, so everybody is there. So this is the special, this one. So special situation giving us these types of answer. For this reason what happened? If we see that who, we can start everybody, and next one is that everybody is the particular one, so everyone. So next, this one is the subject, next one is the present form of the verb, because this one is third person singular number. For this reason what happened? It is taking s or yes or is. So in this case we can use different way. Next one, the same. This one is called, do you know what is the name of this part? Who can say? Do you know what is infinitive? So there are 3 types of infinitive: simple infinitive, passive infinitive and bare infinitive. Okay, so this one is simple infinitive. So what is simple infinitive? If we can see that there is a to and next one the present form of the verb, and it is giving the special meaning. For example, the condition, yes I will go but you have to help me. Okay, I will help you, you have to also cooperate with me. So in this way there must be a condition. Do you understand what is the condition? So this is the condition. Yes, in our country, in Bangladesh, generally the Grameenphone is saying that your SIM is free, you can buy free, but condition apply. Very little word is applying there. the condition apply. So the condition is that you have to fix it at 100 taka. The balance is you are getting, but the condition is that you have to fix the load. Then you will get free egg, the sim. So condition is also given there. Okay. So here the infinitive giving us a condition. The condition is that everybody wants what? To succeed. So this is one kind of successful. Okay. Everybody can wants to make a good result. Why? To get a good job. Why? To get money or to earn money. Okay. So in this way they are wanting something. So the infinitive giving us the special condition. Okay. I hope that it is very much easy for you. And another one is I am saying that bare infinitive. For example, I made a car ride on it. So here this is the principal verb and this one is the bare infinitive. So in this sentence we can see that we must use any types of tense. For example, subject plus the past form of the verb, need to. But here is the present form. Ride, rode, ridden. We cannot use the simple present form in this case. But we can use here this word. Why? Because this is the bare infinitive. So when we are going to make it the passive voice, then this bare infinitives comes or taking out. For example, in this way, a car was made to ride on it by me. So what happened? To ride. So this one is the called infinitive. So bare infinitives comes out when we are going to making the passive voice. This one is passive. So this one is active. So in the transformation we have also discussed about active to passive. If this sentence has given and you have to make it in this way. Okay. So I hope that it is very much easy for you if you can understand it. So if you like it, like, comment and share.